Hey guys, David here from Paintable. Today coming at you with an announcement. I'm working on a new class. I'm really excited, so I just decided to make this small video to give you just a little bit of a sneak peek of it. Basically, the class that I'm building right now is going to be full of exercises as usual, and this one is going to be called Painting from Imagination, and we're going to go through concepts such as lighting, coloring, and a little bit of anatomy, and it's going to be all built around doing a full-on portrait. I'm going to give you a few details here, but obviously I'm still building the class, so I cannot go into too many details. Okay, now this class will be covering anything you need to know to create a full-on portrait from imagination within 30 days. And it's going to be the perfect next step for people that went through the foundation in the academy. If you don't know what the foundation is, I'll put a link in the description of this video so you can go check it out. Basically, this class is going to be great for three kinds of people. If one, you rely heavily on references, picture all the time to create anything, this is going to give you the tool so you can actually separate yourself from reference all the time. Two, if you struggle with color, lighting, and anatomy, I'll be covering a lot of it in this class. And three, if you want to have a professional look to your work, we are going to have a really nice experience together because this class is going to be really special. Now, what makes this course so special? Well, we are going to learn from a client brief. So we can learn by doing. Basically, I'm going to give you a lot of tips and info on how professional will work. We're going to create a full-on illustration from a brief. So therefore, we will not only be learning things about lighting, coloring, and anatomy, but we'll also be able to create a full-on illustration like we're working for a client. That means we're going to go through ideation, sketching, thumbnailing, and a lot more so we can learn from real-life experience. What will you learn exactly? Well, I'm still working on the details, so it's hard for me to actually give you more than I already told you, but from what I know right now, we are going to talk about portrait anatomy, so we are able in the future to be able to draw heads from any angle that we want from imagination. We're also going to talk about how to change a lighting of a scene that we're creating. Imagine that you have a lot of different references, images to create a whole new scene. All those references has different lighting. Well, we're going to learn how light works, how directional light works, so we're able to actually put the right lighting on our scene from imagination. We'll talk about key light, fill light, rim light. We're also going to see how environment affect our lighting and a lot more than this. This is just really, for me, it's a sneak peek, guys. I'm still working on it. I'll give you more details in the weeks to come. Now, to know when it starts, well, I'm planning to finish this class for June. I'm working on it right now. I'm going to give you more info in the weeks to come. In any cases, if you are interested in that class, I'm going to make sure to give you all the news to the people that will be signed up to the mailing list. So I'm having a link on the screen right now. You can click on it to be the first one to know everything about it, or I'll put a link in the description of this video. As usual, have a good day, guys, and happy painting, and I'll talk to you soon.